Hey guys, I just did a quick bun and I just wanted to show you guys how I did it real quick. Bun life or no life. Okay, so I wanted to change my look, so I wanted a natural puff, a natural ponytail, and so I put my locks into a bun, and then I put the ponytail over it. It's quite simple and it takes no time at all. All you have to do is brush your hair back. You can put a little pomade or a little bit of water so it can be more manageable, and you put it in a bun, put the ponytail in the back and attach it, and you can put a safety pin or several if you need to feel more secure, and you brush your edges with either jam or mousse or some gel so that your baby hair can be laid. And if you feel like it, you can also put braids on the side to change the look up a little bit, and tie it down with the paper, or you can always use the nifty swifty hair tie.